So this is how the Ubuntu Linux based operating system look like. This is one of the operating system called Ubuntu 20.04, which is one of the distributions of Linux based operating system. There are various versions of Linux based operating system. We call it as Ubuntu, we call it as OpenSUSE, we call it as Kali Linux, we have Lubuntu, Kubuntu. After that we have Fedora, we have Debian, we have Raspberry. In the same way, there are plenty of versions of Linux based operating system. Okay, Linux based operating system. Under that I have installed Ubuntu operating system. In under Ubuntu operating system, once again there are plenty versions of software. For an example, so we have Ubuntu 14.04. Under 14.04, once again we have many versions. After that we have 16.04, Ubuntu 16.04. Under that 16.04, once again we have many versions. After that we have Ubuntu 18.04. After that we have Ubuntu 20.04. And you can see here the Ubuntu 20.04 has been released in August 6, 2020. So Ubuntu 20.04 is one of the latest version of operating system for the under Ubuntu, and this has been released in August 6, 2020. I am recording this video on September 9, 2020. So as on date of my recording, Ubuntu 20.04 is one of the latest version of operating system. 20.04 is the latest version of Ubuntu operating system. Now, so why I am telling this means, so whenever you install Linux based operating system for your computer, means it can be a Debian, it can be a Raspberry, or it can be Lubuntu or Kubuntu or Fedora or whatever it may be. So whenever you install Linux based operating system for your computer, by default you have the Python software in the operating system itself. So how to check whether we have the Python software in our operating system means, so what you need to do, you need to go for the search option, search for the terminal, and after this what you need to do, you need to just type Python 3. So you can see here I have installed this operating system 10 days back itself. So whenever I install this operating system, means whenever you install Linux based operating system, by default you have the Python. So there is no need to install Python software for the Linux based operating system. So I told the Python software that is available for my laptop is version is 3.8.2. Once again this is one of the latest version which was released in July 16, 2020. Okay, but the latest version of Python which we have installed for Windows operating system is 3.8.2. When we compare 3.8.2, this version, that is nothing but 3.8.2 and as well as 3.8.5. 3.8.5 is the latest version when compared to 3.8.2. So why I am talking about these versions means, usually this Linux operating system Ubuntu 20.04 is one of the latest version. Usually some people what they will do, they will install Ubuntu version 16.04 and it will be Ubuntu 18.04. So whenever you install 16.04 or 18.04, what will have, you will have some older version of Python, means older version of Python. You will be having not latest version of the Python. So latest version is 3.85. You will be having in Ubuntu 18.04, you will be having version 3.6 point something. Okay, so if you want to upgrade from lower version to higher version, so if you want to install the lower version of the software, Python software, to latest version, that is 3.8.5, what you need to do, you need to follow this step. So by following these steps, what will happen, you can upgrade the lowest version of the Python software to latest version of the software. Because in suppose if we talk about Ubuntu 20.04 itself, you can we know that Ubuntu 20.04 has been released in August 6, 2020. The latest version of Python is released in July 2000. So whenever you install latest version of operating system, what they will do, usually they will update the latest version of the software. So when I installed Ubuntu 20.04, during that time Ubuntu 3.8.2 was the latest version. So we have the Ubuntu Python 3.2 as the Python software in my Ubuntu 20.04. Now I want to update the Python software from 3.8.2 to 3.8.5. So what I need to do? So in order to update from Python 3.8.2 to Python 3.5, you need to follow these steps. So what you need to do? You need to go to the official website of the Python. You need to download the exact version, that is latest version is Python 3.8.5. You need to download the Python 3.8.5 software from the official website of the Python. After that, you need to type this command. We will see how to type the command in the terminal very shortly. Once after downloading the software, you need to extract the software. Once after extracting the software, for extracting the software, you can type this command or right click and just you can extract the software. It's left to you. Once after extracting the software, you need to go inside the Python software folder. In Linux based operating system, we will not call the folder, here we will call it as the directory. So this Ubuntu operating system is exactly same like Windows operating system. Even you can browse the internet and you have the file system like Windows operating system. So we have desktop folder, we have document folder, we have download folder, we have music folder. See, this is exactly same like Windows operating system. But here we will not call this download folder. Here we call it as the directory. So your folder is replaced with the directory in Linux based operating system. So if you want to install the latest version of the Python from 3.8.2, suppose if we talk about versions, Ubuntu version 16.04, you will have the lowest version of the Python. If you want to use Ubuntu 16.04, but the updated version of the Python software means you need to follow these steps. So what we will do, we will run these commands. We will run this command. After that, we will see how to update from 3.8.2 to 3.855 for our Ubuntu operating system 20.04. So let me start.